Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy crypto on MetaMask. First of all, open the MetaMask app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the two arrows icon at the bottom of your screen and a menu will slide up. Inside it, tap on Buy and you will be sent to the amount and crypto selecting page. Here, you just need to choose a payment method from the available ones and enter the preferred amount. After entering the amount, tap on Get Quotes and a couple of quotes will appear. Simply select any one of them and you will be redirected to their website. Here, you will need to verify your identity, payment method, and your transaction will be successful. This is the most easy part as you just need to follow the on-screen instructions and that's it. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.